Hello Kyle, this is a video a little bit late for the contest. I don't know if it's already over, but this is my third submission. This is a plane I made right now for an hour ago maybe. So I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on how to make this because it flies over 100 feet and is easy to fold and looks amazing. So the first thing you want to do is fold this edge to this edge in half on the short side, as John Collins said. Yes, and then you want to open it up, and then fold this edge to this edge, and don't make a pinch crease. Crease all the way over. Like that. Then you want to open it up and take the top edge to that crease you just made and make a full crease. Now you want to open this side over the center crease right here. Open it over that, like this, and then you want to fold it down and make, just wait a second, and make this crease land on the center crease behind. And then you want to fold this flap along this crease over here on that crease, like that, and do the same thing on the other side. So you want to open it up on the center crease and then bring it over here and make this crease land on the center crease behind. Crease all the way, sharp and accurate, and fold this flap over as well on that crease. Then you want to see that this crease, you want to reverse this flap under here. So you can kind of open it up and start by working on that crease, reversing this. You can also, if you want to, you can open it all the way up here. No. You want to reverse this crease, so you want to open it up, reach into that pocket and work and reverse that crease like that. Now it's under here, and do the same thing on the other side. Open it up like this, reach into the pocket here, work on that crease, reverse it, and close it again. Then you see these two vertical creases. You want to fold this to land on that crease like this, and reverse it. Do the same thing on the other side. Take it to that vertical crease and then close it. Then you want to fold these into the center like that. Do the same thing on the other, no, don't do the same thing on the other side yet. You want to open it up and see this flap. If you have it like this and open on that crease, you can see that flap. If you can trace that flap right here and make a mark with your thumbnail, or I'm going to use the pencil right now, right here. That goes here. And you're going to open and make the wing by pulling that open to that mark and all the way to the back corner there. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side by bringing these into the center and open it up again here. Like that. Then you can fold the wing over so that the crease lands on this edge. Like that. Open it up and do the same thing on the other side. And now you are ready to do the jet fold. If you see on the other side, you have a diagonal crease, a horizontal crease, I mean, that runs right here. You can just fold it in half, and you can make a jet fold like that, but I don't like to do that. I like to open up here and then roll it here, only creasing to the center right here. Open up, close this side, open this side up, do the same thing here. And then you can close both and jet fold. Make sure everything is nice and symmetrical, like this. Now you can fold the wings over that layer. Make sure they match, like that. And then you're going to create the locking mechanism. It's the same as the flat wing, the S92 flat wing. You want to fold this fuselage up, not to that edge, but all the way inside, all the way in to the edge, from that back corner all the way to that crease. Like that. Then you can close the fuselage, and now you're basically done. You only need to make the winglets. Set the wings up like this, and we're going to do, you can estimate, but that will make the plane fly worse. You're going to measure 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter, and you're not taking the winglet to that point, you're making the crease there. so that the winglet is 1.5 centimeter, like that. Then you can flip it over and fold the other side to match, like that. And there you have it. I have not come up with a name. I will film myself saying the name and put it in the video. But this is the final jet version of the final submission for the contest. And thank you so much for watching. I will come up with a name and put that in the video. So thank you so much for watching, Kyle, and see you later. So I found a name for the plane. The name is F-64 Oblivion. I forgot to say, if the plane rolls counterclockwise, you need to bend the left back edge up a little bit, and then the same on the other side. If it rolls clockwise, bend the right back edge up a little bit. So see you later, Kyle.